Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you. I love if you'd hit that subscribe button before leaving and give it a thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get started. So today's video is all about my summer look. I don't know how many of you guys, I would love to know down in the comments, but how many of you do not want to fuss with a huge eye look during the summer? You just want to look put together, your skin to look even toned and something that you can just run out the door and you look great, but it's just not all that much of a hassle. So if you are looking for something like that, that is what this video is all about today. So just keep watching. All right, so I already have my sunscreen. I did a whole blog post on my sunscreen that I absolutely love because it does not give a white cast. And it just absorbs into your skin like a moisturizer. So if you are not on my blog, it is Mom Wife Teach, and I'd love for you to go there and find out more. Also, while I get started, I've really been liking this Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation. It is so beautiful. It gives the most beautiful, gorgeous finish, and I did a whole video on it that I'll link down below if you have not seen it, and I've been wearing it every single day, so I highly recommend this. This is in the shade Natural Ivory. Okay, so real quick, back to that sunscreen. If you have not seen my blog post, any of you that are not good with chemical sunscreens, which the one that I have is chemical, they do also make mineral-based sunscreens that I also have linked on my blog post for you. So I definitely think you should go and check them out because I love the sunscreen. And that is your first line of defense against aging skin. All right, so I'm just using my L'Oreal sponge and I'm just putting it right into my hand. I personally really like that because you can always put it back. I don't know honestly how hygienic it is, but to be honest with you, I'm not putting it on anyone else, so it's not really a big deal to me. But I love it because then I don't waste any of the product. And this is gorgeous. It is so easy to use. It blends so nicely. It's quick and it's easy, and it just makes your skin have this beautiful natural glow. Love it. Okay, and then I always set my foundations. You don't have to, but it is a personal preference. I like to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me. This powder is a great dupe for the It by Pores powder. I just pour some right into the cap, and then I use my big e.l.f. fluffy brush, and I just press it right into the foundation. I don't swipe it because I don't want to take off any of the foundation. And if you notice, I also put the foundation and the powder on my eyes because I like my entire face, especially for this look, to look the same and even tone because I'm not going to be doing my eyes or using any eyeshadow for this. Okay, so that's that. And then what I'm going to go in with is my favorite Maybelline Fit Me blush in Nude. As you can tell, I'm pretty much almost out of it. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. bronzing brush and just quickly sweep it up onto my cheeks. It gives a beautiful flush look to your face, just so pretty, very natural. It has a little hint of a shimmer to it, but not glittery or anything like that. It just looks, the sun hits it so pretty. Okay, then I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna quickly fill in any sparse areas with my Benefit Brow in shade 3. I'm kind of curious. I've heard that the Anastasia one is better, but I've never bought it. And I'm kind of curious, why is it better? This Benefit Brow one works just great. I love it. It has a small point, just like the Anastasia one. And I haven't had any problems with this. I think this is my third one. So I'm kind of curious, what is the big difference between this one and the Anastasia one? If you could comment below if you've tried both of them and tell me what the pros and cons are for them. Because I personally don't have any complaints about the Benefit Brow. So I'm really intrigued by that one. Okay. And then for those of you that love a liquid liner, this is one is so easy to work with. It's by L'Oreal. It's the Infallible Super Slim. It has a felt tip. And all I do is I just kind of tug my eye just a little bit. I go as close as I can get to, I've never done this on camera, so hopefully I don't mess it up. as close as I can get to my eyelashes, because I want up here to be a little bit more of a bold statement since I'm not going to have any eyeshadow on. But you just run it right down. Oops. I'm really good about doing these videos, I've noticed, when my dryer always finishes. So you get to hear my dryer sing to you pretty much every time I'm videotaping. Okay. I don't know. I personally like the little singing part instead of like the loud like eh noise, but hopefully that doesn't bother you guys too much. It always seems to finish when I'm filming. I have to tell you, this is a lot harder to do when you're talking and you have a camera in your face. All right, so I just drag it along the edge like that to give kind of a little bit more boldness to the top of my eye, since I'm not going to be doing any eyeshadow. Okay, then all I do is I curl my lashes. I will link some Tweezerman ones down below, because I know a lot of people ask about eyelash curlers. This one is one that I've had ever since I used to sell Mary Kay years and years and years ago. So I've had this one forever. All right, and then my favorite combo is the L'Oreal primer and mascara. I love this one. The one thing I'll tell you about the primer is the key to whether or not you get a natural look or if you want a more bold kind of statement look. The more primer you put on, the more of a statement look you're gonna get. So I'm just gonna put on one coat, but you can certainly layer up the coats if you want it to be more of a pop. All right, then I don't wait. I just go right over it with mascara. I start right at the base of the lashes and kind of wiggle it on up through. Go back because the side is a little bit darker than that side. Must have got the primer just a little bit different, but look how, I mean, it just gives such a dramatic effect just with that little bit. Okay, and then I like to end the look with a pop of color. Since I'm not really doing, oops, I almost dropped my lipstick. Since I'm not really doing that much on my eyes, I want my lips to stand out a little bit more. So I'm gonna add in my L'Oreal in Sparkling Rose. It's such a hydrating formula. I love this bottle. And it just gives like that pop of kind of spring, summer color. And it keeps your lips moist throughout the day. Seriously, one of the best formulas. All right, so that is the finished look. My face looks put together, my skin looks flawless. I have a little bit, you know, to make my eyes stand out and that pop of color on my lips, but it's quick, it's easy, it's a great summer and springtime look. So I would love to see you in my next video, and if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up before going. See you guys next time. Bye.